Beginning tonight with an update on President Biden and the U.S. Department of Labor's announcement that their guidelines for the president's vaccine mandate are going to stretch across the nation. Now, in a tweet today, President Biden said, quote, "Today, the Labor Department issued its rule requiring COVID-19 vaccinations for companies with 100 or more employees, and HHS released its rule to ensure that healthcare workers are vaccinated. Together, they will cover about 100 million Americans and help us beat COVID-19, end quote.
A deadline is coming up on January 4th, or unvaccinated workers will be required to do weekly COVID testing, and they must wear a mask while in the workplace. Governor McMaster called all of this an overreach of power. Moments ago, we confirmed he has signed an executive order banning agencies from enforcing it in the state of South Carolina.
It is unprecedented, it is unlawful, and it is just plain wrong. Personally, I do not think it is necessary to have a mandate. I do not think it's good for business. I don't think it sends a good message to say you will fire people who do not get a vaccine. But that's a private business, and under the law, I as governor do not have authority over that.
Again, the governor just issuing an executive order on state agencies, but he also says he plans to issue an executive order barring those agencies from issuing or enforcing that vaccine mandate. The state of South Carolina now joins other Republican-led states vowing to fight the Biden administration's vaccine or testing mandate. But what legal options does the state have? We took that question to an employment and labor lawyer. Kaylin Hagwood joins us live in studio now with those details. Kaylin?
That's right, JR. When it comes to vaccinations and federal contractors or healthcare workers, our legal expert says there may not be much wiggle room to challenge the Biden administration's plan. For large employers, David Dubberly with Nexon Pruitt says there is more of an opportunity.
The standard for OSHA to issue an emergency rule is there has to be a grave danger to public health and safety. There are arguments that there is not a grave danger, so OSHA didn't really have the authority to issue this rule, and that will play out in the courts.
As for employees, Dubberly says without a religious or medical exemption, you'll likely need to comply or you could be fired. Tonight at 11, we hear from leaders in the business community about employers and how they are responding.
Kaylin, thank you.